Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install plugin in Gimp. First of all, open your Gimp, and then all you have to do is go to the edit section on the top left corner and go to the preferences, click on preferences. A new window will open. From here, you have to scroll down just a bit to the bottom, click on plus icon with the folders, scroll down more, click on plugins. Now this option will appear. You will get two different paths where your plugins can go and install. Click on any of the path and click on this icon, and the window will open on your file manager. Click on plugins, and this is the folder where you have to place in all of your plugins in order to install them into the Gimp. For example, if you have downloaded any plugin, and then all you have to do is extract the plugin and place them into this folder. And after that, click on reset and click on OK. Now close your Gimp application and open it once again, and then your plugin will be installed successfully. If you want to find your plugin, it can be into the layer section or the tools or the filter section. It can also go to the Python's foo or script foo. So that's how you can install plugin in Gimp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.